I'm Kirby Allison, and I love helping the well-dressed acquire and care for their wardrobes. Join me as we explore the world of quality, craftsmanship, and tradition. In today's video, we're going to upgrade the knob set of this ECM Synchronika espresso machine with the beautiful set that Wiedemann from Germany sent us. Now, one of the things that I love about the ECM Synchronika is just what a piece of art this is. I mean, it's really a beautiful machine. It accessorizes this kitchen. It's just as much of a pleasure to look at as it is to use. And so, of course, you know, my temptation to upgrade couldn't be resisted, especially when Wiedemann reached out to me from Germany and kind of offered to send me some upgraded wooden knobs. I said, you know what, how do I refuse this? So here we are. We're going to upgrade the knobs on this, on the handles, and then we're going to pull my first espresso shot. So here we go. So this is the box they sent. Now, Wiedemann, they have a beautiful Instagram profile. I mean, if you're into rocket espresso machines or ECM espresso machines, they really specialize in kind of kitting this out and really nice kind of wooden handles. And they do absolutely incredible work. It's certainly a testament to the espresso space that you have all these vendors doing absolutely incredible kind of handcrafted accessories. Okay, so here we are. Let's see what we have inside of this. Couldn't be more excited. It's always fun to receive cool stuff. So of course, these guys are German. They specialize in kind of machine-turned wooden accessory parts. So I have no idea what that says, but if any of you speak German, please do translate this for me in the comments below. So let's open it up and see what it is. Holy smokes, look at that. This is amazing. I thought it was just the actual kind of wooden handles, but it's an entire portafilter. It is a double portafilter. I went for one of the darker woods. I mean, look at absolutely how beautiful this is. This is really quite exceptional. Wow, that's exciting. And then also the wooden knobs that kind of go here. So that is this piece. And then we've got the two pieces for the steam wand. So these just unscrew very easily. Look at that. Definitely next level, that's for sure. All right, so portafilter. So I need to take the portafilter basket out. This kind of just clips in there. And let's replace this. There we go, look at that. I mean, absolutely beautiful. Definitely changes the characteristics of this. They have a single portafilter in there also, which is really quite generous that we get both. And then let's see, look at this. A beautiful kind of matching tamper. Look at that, this thing is pretty awesome. It is significantly heftier than the ECM one, so I really look forward to using this. Of course, kind of tamping the coffee down is really so important in terms of getting a good, clean, consistent pull. So I'm excited to use this. So I'm gonna put this one up, and let's see, this is kind of where I keep everything organized. So I'm gonna keep the single portafilter there, and then move the double one, or the old one right there. And then it's nice, look at this, they have a little quality control card in every single box. I mean, this is definitely getting into the premium espresso space. So there we go, beautiful. So thank you to the guys at Wiedemann in Germany for upgrading this machine with these beautiful handles. I mean, look at this. Absolutely, really exceptional. Makes a big difference. Works well with the wood here. They've got a bunch of other finishes, but this is the one that I really liked, this natural kind of dark oak wood. And there we go. Can't wait to use this machine. As you can tell, I'm diving deep into the world of espresso here in addition to all the great things we cover here at Kirby Allison. So if you haven't subscribed to this channel, please do by clicking the red box in the upper right-hand corner and turning on your notifications so that you can learn whenever we release new videos. And of course, if you don't follow me on Instagram, please do at Kirby Allison. It's the best way to stay up to date about what's going on here in our world. And if you haven't visited kirbyallison.com, I invite you to do so, where we've got the largest selection of luxury garment care and luxury shoe care accessories in the world, as well as other great clothing accessories for the well-dressed, like this sovereign grade hopsack tie that I'm wearing today in the Simon Godard pocket square. I'm Kirby Allison, and I love to help the well-dressed acquire and care for their wardrobes while exploring the world of quality, craftsmanship, and tradition.